Nothing more important than our safety and well-being to tear him away from that game.
You think your dad can jump the gator pit?
I couldn't jump the gator pit.
I guess we should probably scream now.
Your meatloaf is burning.
My meatloaf? Why did you say so?
Quick, turn off the controller.
It's done. I've got control.
Yes, we're alive.
Well, it's better than crashing into the gator pit, but probably stay here.
So, this is my Minecraft world, so you need to...
Wait, bakit ganyan yan?
Nagre-record ako. So,
Mahulog yan, hindi ah.
okay. So, may kind of this. And, let's do this. First of all, sorry, we're not going to do this right now. First, get this thing and lock it here. So, you just need this. So, use this one first. Put here. Put here. So, let this thing. And going to install stories. Texting here. Basic flash. So sorry guys, this is my file. If you like this, make sure it you just here. So you I'm gonna do what I use. And put this one here, so the two and put all the pictures to two, and this third control here will be activated. So this. Because it is authorized, so if it drops, goes in trouble. And this is like that. So this is a beeper. It was made by me, and to install it is the installer process is water is just spread out. So today we're making a shower, so we start with the up here. us put this. No one can finally see. If someone saw this, if someone copied it, please tell me and I'll subscribe to their channel and I'll just say you are great. If you just have an forward paragraph or concerning so it's level 2 if it is recorded if it will by chance that will be nothing but non-level 2 just no one can copy mine so actually this level 2 cover up is they nag-go ng shower. So that's a Filipino for making a shower. Get it. If we broke in this process, they will be arrested. So I'm even a noob in Minecraft, but I'm a great builder, so sorry guys, so because also this action will not be complete. It is not over. We just need to put the page on so it won't be flood. So that's your turn for quest number 1. So this is quest number 2. This is quest number 2. So lock up the water so no one will see it. Let only see. You can block out. So you'll see this air coming up. So get up inside. Hindi ba
No thanks daw, ate. Hindi, dito lang siya. Nagbibidyo. Okay, sorry.
Bakit?
No thanks, sure?
Sure.
Sure.
So we'll find out this waterproof or the closer.
Ano, dadalhin bukas na ba? Hindi na.
Small bukas.
Oo.
Oo. Small bar. Hanggang 17. Kaya di ko text namin ah.
Maga yan?
Oo. 2 a.m.
So, yun.
Ay, wait lang. 11 a.m. Oo.
Ay, mag-game tayo bukas. Sabi na namin.
So, tingnan natin. Ito yung shower ko.
Ay, shower mo.
Yan, di ba gumagana yan? Di ba nakita mo may tubig kanina? At ngayon naman wala nang ganun, di ba? Ganun ba?
Galing mo.
So, it's subject kami. Teacher. So, we're off to the next challenge. Oh, next one is so just wait. Put on music so So back here, so we're just going to skip this.
Too often, business decisions are based on a limited view of what's happening in the company.
Let's do this up. So
pag-ibig at dahil sa'yo natutunan ko. Lahat sa'yo'y merong kalungkutan at dahil sa'yo naranasan ko. Ikaw yung una, pero huli na inyong sabihin na wala na talaga akong pag-asa sa iyo kahit lumuha pa ako. Lumuha pa ako. Salamat sa pananakit mo. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Dahil ako'y babangon at ipapakita ko na kaya ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Naisip kong itigil ang oras kasi kasama pa kita. Pati matatamit mo man na payo na ingat ka, mahal kita. Ikaw yung una, pero hindi na nalaman na talagang masakit palang kagahan ko na lalo na seryoso ka, seryoso ka. Salamat sa pananakit mo. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Dahil ako'y babangon at ipapakita ko na kaya ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Salamat sa pananakit mo. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Dahil ako'y babangon at ipapakita ko na kaya ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Salamat at sinaktan mo ako. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa iyo. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa iyo.
it will automatically charge up and rise up something. You will see we're not done yet, so. Uy, nandun rin sa animal shelter. Isa listing. Let's go. There's no one close to happen in the page, so follow my instructions. 1. Put a redstone torch. Put here something, and there's a fire keep it up by making this figure. Enjoy it. Okay, the fire things. Right. So that's all for today. So I guess see you later. Bye. I guess see you later. Bye.